So from left to right, you will see the top piece right here for the back interface. And then here is the second piece. You will see these gold items there on them. So these are brass inserts that I purchased through MasterCard. So you'll see all these bags here with screws and inserts. Like these have they're like of various sizes. So yeah, I put them in there so the parts could be screwed together. Down here is the second piece of the back interface. To the right of it is what I call, like I said, I call the spine. Right here. It's basically a beam, but I prefer calling it spine. Anyways, so this piece is gonna go onto what I call here the full back plane. So the spine is going to interface with basically these two pieces here to hold it together, like a spine does for your body. And then I have these parts here just for alignment when I put them together. So yeah, so these are all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces actually that I've printed so far. And yeah, let's go ahead and put these together, and as we do that, I will let you guys know all the issues that were found after printing this thing.